Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my January 2023 Petit Vour unboxing. Now, before we get into that, I did want to share I am wearing this Nomad Cosmetic eyeshadow in the color Whistler Snow Lodge, I think is the color. It is a dark green, and I have it primarily, if I could open it, there we go, primarily on just the lids of my eyes, and I think it's really nice. It looks nice with my eye color, and it's not a shade of green that makes me look sickly, so I am a fan. I think it's lovely, and I like the size of this. It's not too big, not too small, just big enough. So that is my thoughts on this. So let's go ahead and take a look at what came in the January Petit Vour box. Here's our card. It's got little trees and a ski slope, very wintry. Looks like we're getting 4 items this month. So let's go ahead and just grab one and crack on into it. This is from Han, and this is the All Natural Lip Gloss. What color? In Nude Rose. So let's get that out. Here's what that looks like in the packaging. Looking very brown in the packaging. So this is a $16 value for 0.23 ounces, formulated with antioxidant rich argan oil to hydrate lips with vitamin E, packed with ceramides and anti-aging superfruit extracts, and powered by plant and vegetable pigments to benefit the skin. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch, shall we? Now it's looking really brown for something that's a rose. Okay. It does look rosier on the hand. So here's the color. That actually looks really pretty, really wearable, and really versatile for a variety of skin tones. Very, very glossy, so I think I'm gonna like that. Next item in here is from Moon River's Natural, and it's the Peppermint Lava Salt Hand and Body Nutrient Rich Body Cleanser. I've had this twice. So I know I've gotten it in this box before, and that means I've also gotten it in another box. Probably the kinder, but it could have been one of the other ones. I had another one back in the day. So I'm not pleased about this at all, being that it's a product I know I've gotten in this box before. So I'm very annoyed about that. Let me read you the description. This is an $8 value for 2 ounces, enriched with black lava salt and activated charcoal for a light detox, infused with peppermint essential oil to calm your soul and leave your skin with a nice tingle. While I certainly enjoyed it as a body wash, I don't like the glass container in the shower, and I don't like this is something I've had multiple times before. That's kind of lame. Especially with these other boxes being pretty lame in January, this is really disappointing. Next, we have the John Masters Organics Hand Cream with lemon and ginger. So I will always use a hand cream, and I don't think I've ever had the John Masters one, so I'm actually very excited to try this. This is a $16 value, which, whew, $16 is a lot, I feel like, for 2 ounces. And this says, the restorative properties of ginger root and sunflower seed oil soothe and soften, while lemon tones the skin and provides a refreshing scent. Absorbs into skin easily for a grease-free feel. So, I mean, John Masters itself, I'm very hit or miss on. A lot of the hair stuff, which is mostly what I've tried, is usually not that great for me. But I am excited to try this hand cream. And the last item in the box is the Balancing Face Serum with chamomile and carrot seed, created by California herbalists, and this is from Earth to Face, and it's in a little dropper bottle. Let's read about this. I have a feeling I'm not going to be using it just from the packaging, but let's go ahead and read about it. It's a $25 value for 10 milliliters, which that feels exorbitant. So I'm already not a fan in that regard. Formulated with organic food-grade oils to provide pore-clearing hydration at a cellular level, this antioxidant-rich and anti-aging serum is suitable for daily use by all skin types. Now, it says right on the front that it's got chamomile in it, so I'm really not all that interested in this, yet chamomile is the third ingredient. That's very fragrant. And a different variety of chamomile is the fourth ingredient. And then we have another fragrant ingredient in 5, another fragrant at 6. So this is just chock full of fragrant oils, and I'm not going to use it. I think there might still be space in the giveaway box, so I'll probably add this to that. Speaking of, I am doing the giveaway in this month's empties. I actually filled the box quicker than I thought I would. So if you are watching this and don't typically watch my empties videos, you might want to watch the January one if you're interested in entering the giveaway. Heads up. So yeah, not excited about this, not going to use it. So in summary, this box, very excited about the lip product. It's beautiful. The consistency of it seems like it's going to feel really nice on the lips. And I am just generally excited for the product. I'm a lip product junkie, so there's that. And then I'm actually quite excited about the John Masters Organics hand cream. I go through some hand cream because I keep it in my nightstand and I put it on every single night. And this is one I haven't tried, so I'm actually pretty excited about that. I'm not excited about this body wash. While I will, in practicality, use this, I have gotten this multiple times before, so it just doesn't feel like it's fresh and exciting. And I subscribe to these boxes to get things I've never tried before, so that's a full miss in my book, even though I'll use it. And then this is just chock full of fragrant oils. I'm not putting it on my face, but one of you might end up winning this in the giveaway. So there's that. I'm going to give this box pretty close to failing-ish. I'm going to give it a C-, D+. I'm not wild about it. This is just not a great combination of items, in my opinion. It's like we got halfway there and then we pooped the coop. Is that even a saying? I don't think that's a saying. We got halfway there and then we just decided to stop trying. I don't know. So it would seem I am 3 for 3 on subscription boxes I just did not enjoy this month. And I guess it is what it is. We didn't start the year with a bang, but maybe next month will be better. So thanks for watching. Just a reminder, the giveaway is in the empties video this month, so be sure to tune into that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!